My God, it's windy today. Thursday 2nd, is it? 3rd? Not sure. Looks beautiful, but it's blowing a gust at gale force just every now and again out of the blue. Horrifying. Anyway, we've made it to Pickering Park. A beautiful summer. There's the other side. Okay, let's see how we get on next. Okay, this is a wind test. You can see how bending the trees are and the bushes. My goodness me. So it's a microphone test. It's the plug-in mic on the lapel, and it'd be interesting to see the noise to voice level when I edit it at home using Shortcut. My goodness me. Okay, just a general shot in the far distance. There's a heap of geese, a couple of fishermen. Hopefully in shot you can see some branches waving around in the breeze to give the edit some life and movement. Okay, near the exit, side exit, I'm not sure. It's over there, the side exit. I don't know how long Mackie wants, but I'm struggling with the wind, too strong. It's chilling me underneath my fleece. Although you'd never believe it to look, the only giveaway is the movement of the trees, look. Flapping around. Right, let's see what happens next. This might be the final clip.